Hello, I'm Mr. Stiles, the Library Director at the Catherine Brush Library. Along with the other librarians and your history teacher, I'll be guiding you through Module 1, topic selection, and research questions. Feel free to contact any of us if you have any questions. This is the first video of Module 1 for the World History Research Project. There are a total of 2 videos in this module. This first video tutorial shows you the LibGuides and resources you'll use for this project, how to choose a topic, and revisiting how to use encyclopedias, which we outlined in the Nation Building in Americas project. In the second video, you'll learn how to develop an overview, create a concept map, and formulate good research questions. At the end of each video, you'll answer several review questions. These questions will strengthen your understanding of the material covered in the video. Your instructor will see your responses and monitor your viewership. This is the Brush Library homepage. You can access the homepage under the Academic section of the LUMAS website. LibGuides provides research assistant, subject guides, and useful resources compiled by the Brush Library. You used the World History, Nation Buildings in America LibGuide for your last project. For this project, you'll be using 2 new LibGuides: World History, New Connections and Challenges Resources, and World History, New Connections and Challenges Research Modules. The Research Modules LibGuide will provide all the information of the 3 modules, including the in-class assignments. The Resources LibGuide is broken down by geographic region and provides examples of resources helpful for research. The guide is arranged in the manner to do successful research, beginning with reference material and ending with primary sources. You'll begin this project with the process of topic selection. You should begin with a broad topic with the understanding that you'll narrow the topic based on your research. If you have not done background research, narrower topics can potentially create roadblocks and difficulties finding resources. You'll need to let the research process guide your topic. Let's look at 2 questions that will help you get you started with the topic selection process. First, what interests you, and how can you explore this interest in your region? Second, what are some of the questions you have about these interests? If you do not yet have many viable options, survey your textbook for possible topics by scanning the table of contents, pictures, tables, and subheadings. Once you have a broad topic, the next step is to develop an overview. The goal of this process is to gather background information. As you did with the Nations Building in Americas project, you'll use a collection of general and subject-specific encyclopedias for background research. In Edpuzzle, you can revisit the video on how to search in the reference databases if you need a refresher. This is the Africa Resource Guide. Remember, there are separate guides for each of the regions. You can navigate to the regions in the left-hand column. The encyclopedias for this project are found in 2 tabs. Reference books are individual subject-specific encyclopedia titles. Reference databases are all the encyclopedia databases, including general encyclopedias, such as Britannica, and the subject-specific encyclopedias, such as the collection of titles found in Credo Reference. You want to read a collection of general and subject-specific encyclopedia articles on your topic and develop an overview. You will collect key terminology and begin to create a narrative of your topic, the basic who, what, where, when, why, and how. Finally, you want to start creating a basic timeline and develop subtopics for further research. You'll begin this process with the Module 1 in-class assignment. This concludes the first video of Module 1. Now that you know how to gather background information, you're ready to move on to the next tutorial, in which you'll learn how to develop research questions and a concept map. Remember to answer the review questions that come up in just a few seconds.